15th of January 2026. GTA is hit by a storm, winter storm. Cleaning process is being done. Somebody is there blowing the snow. It's very quiet out today. I think many people avoided to go today to work. We have less traffic on the road. So I'm heading to the valley. When you have a fresh fallen snow, brings out such a nice beauty. You can see.
Way up ahead and gorgeous everything. We gotta get past these guys because they're walking like.
Everything is covered with snow, not just trees, garbage bins, even the benches. How beautiful it looks. Perfect shape it makes on the bench. Wow. As if somebody sculpted it. Crazy. So it's getting dark. I'm heading back. It started to snow again. Light snow. It's minus 22 right now. Feels like.